everyone, I am Dr. Prachi Grover Mehta. I am a glaucoma specialist and a phaco-refractive surgeon at Synergy Visitech Eye Center, South Delhi. I am here to talk to you about a glaucoma awareness. So what is glaucoma? Glaucoma, or a kala moti, or a black cat, right? What we say is the name given to glaucoma. Is a disease of an optic nerve where the optic nerve is damaged. What is optic nerve? It optic nerve carries signals from from your eyes to the brain. It's just like a camera. Like we take a picture in a camera and we connect it to computer to download it. So the nerve is like a cord, the USB cord which you connect from your camera to the computer. If that cord is broken, you can't download your image to the computer. Similarly, the optic nerve is like that. If the nerve is damaged, you can your eyes, what your eyes see, that brain doesn't perceive. Okay, so it is the damage which is caused by the glaucoma is the irreversible damage. We cannot reverse it, but what is the aim of our treatment is what we can do is we can prevent the further damage of the optic nerve and thereby the vision. So what is IOP? IOP is like a eye pressure. Like we have blood pressure, the fluid, the blood which flows in the blood vessels, the pressure of the blood. Similarly, the like we have a car cycle or a tire of a car or a bicycle, the air pressure inside that. Similarly, the fluid pressure inside the eye, which maintains the contour of our eye, that is the eye pressure. So that fluid is produced in the eye and itself drained outside the eye. So if there is an imbalance between the production and the outflow, that causes the glaucoma. So that pressure should be around 12 to 21. It's written over here, like, but there's no such magical number that 10, 14, 15. If I say in the advanced cases of glaucoma, that could be high, and 21 could be high. But for some, for the healthy optic nerve, 21 could be a normal pressure. So how is the IOP is maintained? Like I said, the aqueous humor which is produced in the eye, that is produced in the eye and that flows through there's it's a drainage system, a complex system. The eye is drained and the imbalance between this is caused, which causes the glaucoma. I'll show you some video later on. So what is glaucoma? There could be a eye pressure raised in the glaucoma, or there could be normal IOP also, which leads to the optic nerve damage, and this nerve damage leads to the visual field damage. So visual field is lost. What is visual field? Like I see, if you see straight and while looking straight, whatever you see in your field, like जो भी हम सामने देख रहे हैं आसपास क्या दिख रहा है, we can see periphery also. That visual field is restricted slowly and gradually in glaucoma patients. So what are the risk factors? Yes, most importantly is the family history. Like if you have any family member has a glaucoma, siblings has a strong association of glaucoma, age over the 40 years, high IOP, myopics, those who have minus numbers, in any patient who has any history of trauma in the past 10 years, 20 years, or in any time, long-term medication history, like steroid history, anything like you put any over the counter drugs, you take medicine, you should never take medicine from pharmacist ki meri aankh mein laal ho rahi hai, so give some medicine, because they tend to give steroids. So I have seen so many patients ki aise hi दवाई लेते थे खुजली पानी के लिए, and they land up in advanced glaucoma even. So there must be an ophthalmic doctor. So thin central corneal, like those who have undergone LASIK surgery for the removal of specs, or those who have optic nerve, diabetes patient, migraine, high BP, like those are at high risk of glaucoma. But why this eye drug damages only the optic nerve? Because eye is in a bony socket, we can't see it from the outside, but there's in a it is in a bony socket, so the optic nerve gets pressed by the fluid. Okay, so how do we diagnose glaucoma? There are various test modalities. Like first we do pressure check. First we do applanation tonometry. That is a very important test and a gold standard test. And then the gonioscopy, which is very, very, very important because most of the closed angle glaucomas are missed in the missed gonioscopy. Okay, gonioscopy by a qualified glaucoma specialist, I would say. And then OCT, pachymetry, and perimetry. These are important tests. So what we can do is how we can control, because whatever the vision has been lost, we cannot regain it. Early detection is the key to limit the glaucoma. The main objective is to stop or the progression. We can just stop or slow down the progression. So over the 40 years of age, you must undergo a regular eye checkup at least once in a year. But if you have any family history of glaucoma, you must tell your ophthalmologist that you have a family history of glaucoma, so they will keep you in a close observation. And if you are a glaucoma suspect, then you must go undergo an eye checkup, thorough eye checkup with every 6 months. And once you are detected with a glaucoma, you must adhere to your treatment schedule. You should put your eye drops on a time basis. Like I always tell my patients to put eye drops. I give them time, 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. I always advise them that you put an alarm in your phone, and then it will remind you daily. And you can miss your lunch, dinner, but you can't miss your eye drops. The treatment part I've already discussed. What treatment options are available? Our first choice is medicines, medication, second is laser, and third is surgical. Medications, we have medications in various aspects, like they can decrease the aqueous production or increase the drainage. And the laser iridotomy, it is the like in the surgical iridectomy also, and the laser peripheral iridotomy. The what is like what lasers do is that we make a alternative route for in your eye, so that the drainage flows. Surgery is trabeculectomy surgery. It is a gold standard surgery is trabeculectomy. uh, in this we create an alternative route, but yeah, so that the fluid drains and the pressure is controlled. So there are various high advances in the surgeries like drainage devices. Okay, what we need to do if you are over 40, you're myopic, or you have a family history of glaucoma or long-term steroid usage, either in the form of nasal steroids like nasal sprays, or in the like in the gym we use intravenous steroids, or any other form like even skin creams, then you must get your eyes checked. If you are a glaucoma patient, I have already covered this thing, but you must remember this, that the vision loss cannot be regained, but the further loss can be stopped. And before I conclude my talk, I would like to say that there are few don'ts and do's. Like do's, have your healthy meal, like eat healthy and avoid alcohol, smoking, because those causes damage with further damage in the glaucoma. And I would say like for if you're detected with a glaucoma, then you should avoid doing the breath holding exercises because they further increases pressure. And avoid drinking lots of fluid at a time. You can drink water, 1 glass, 2 glass, that's enough, but avoid drinking 1 liter of water because that is a part of our test, like water drinking test. So you should not drink water at a time or any fluid at a time, at a stretch. Then avoid doing the inverse yoga posture. That again increases the pressure. And avoid wearing tight collars or tight ties. That's all for today. Thank you.